in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball-Kilmer, and today I'm doing a staple in most people's home, Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts have gotten really popular over the years, and I have to say I have a million recipes. But the one I'm doing today is one of my easy, like fallback Brussels sprouts. I have them in my refrigerator. I gotta cook them weeknight quickie. I just love Brussels sprouts. They're crunchy, they're healthy, they're super delicious. So this recipe is Brussels sprouts cooked in a cast iron. Now most of the time, you use bacon, but to change it up like I do here at Ali in the Valley is I'm gonna use pancetta. And pancetta is just another form of ham bacon to get the grease going, to get all that going. So I'm gonna put that in the pan. Then I'm gonna add garlic, Brussels sprouts, red crushed peppers. Instead of using olive oil, I'm gonna use my new all-time favorite, truffle oil. Oh my God, I love truffle oil. I'm obsessed with it. Everywhere I go shopping, I buy different truffle oil. So anyway, let's get started. Let me show you how I make a simple Brussels sprouts with lime and avocado and pancetta, and let's get going. The first thing I'm gonna do, of course, besides turning on the stovetop, I'm gonna use truffle oil. Now you can use any type of olive oil you want, but I'm obsessed with truffle oil right now. You can buy it everywhere. It just, I don't know, it just has a flavor to it that I'm really into. So I'm gonna put some oil, a little bit of oil in, and then I'm going to put pancetta. And pancetta is a form of ham, bacon, same thing, just a different version. So I just wanna try something different. You can just cut up bacon strips and use bacon strips too. But here at Ali in the Valley, we always try something new. You can find pancetta anywhere, it's everywhere. It used to be used in Italy a lot, but it's the same form as ham and bacon. All right, so we're gonna cook this up, and what we really wanna do is render the grease. Okay, so the pancetta's cooking, it's all brown, we have all the yummy grease from it. That's the best part, the grease. I'm gonna take the pancetta out so it doesn't overcook. And then I'm gonna add the Brussels sprouts in the grease and the truffle oil. I mean, grease and truffle oil, baby, don't be messing with Ali in the Valley. That's what I'm talking about. We gotta render that fat. We have that rendered fat in here, what we want it. I'm gonna leave the grease in there. I'm gonna put this to the side. Then I'm gonna bring my Brussels sprouts over. I'm gonna add those. Now those were pre-cut up Brussels sprouts. And I'm gonna just coat the pan. I'm gonna put a little bit more oil on these Brussels sprouts to coat them. I'll do the truffle oil, might as well be consistent, but like I said, you can use olive oil. You don't have to get all fancy like me, but you can get fancy. I actually get this truffle oil at Home Goods. Yep, Home Goods. I shop at Home Goods. Home Goods is my favorite store, actually. Home Goods, you need to support me. So now I'm gonna render this. I'm gonna turn this up really high because I wanna scorch the Brussels sprouts. Now, to be honest, some people will pre-cook their Brussels sprouts. They'll boil them and pre-cook them or put them in the oven so they soften up. I'm just doing mine in the pan. They get all burned up. It's gonna be yummy. So this is gonna take about 20-25 minutes for the Brussels sprouts to cook thoroughly. I'm gonna throw some garlic in there right now. You gotta have garlic, you know? Garlic is everything. Garlic. I chopped 4 pieces of garlic, 4 little cloves of garlic, and I'm gonna put some crushed red peppers to taste. Not too spicy, not too many. And then I'm gonna do some salt and pepper. Pepper. You see how they're starting to get brown and caramelized? You just want them to burn up a little bit, get caramelized. Sitting all that bacon grease, oh not bacon grease, pancetta grease. All right, so this is gonna take about 20 minutes. We'll be right back and we'll add the last few ingredients. Brussels sprouts should be ready. I decided to cover them just to close in the moisture and cook them a little faster. So yeah, look at that. Beautifully burnt, crispy a little bit, but not over crispy. Now I'm gonna put the pancetta back in. Yes, baby. Yep. This is gonna be delicious. This is easy for fish, chicken. I'm gonna eat this by myself, just this. It's gonna be so good. Okay. Now, I'm gonna add lime to give it a little kick of lime juice to start. And believe it or not, I'm gonna add avocado. Yes, avocado. I know, everybody don't do that, but I am. A little bit of avocado. Just keep it all green and yummy. I'm gonna take the spoon here. All right. Just to warm it up. You don't want to overcook the avocado. It's just to warm it up to go with everything else. A little warm avocado. I know most people don't warm up avocado, but that's why you're watching Allie in the Valley, to learn some new tips. Try something different. And we are done with our Brussels sprouts. So let me take this back over to the counter and show you how I plate it. All right, my Brussels sprouts with pancetta, avocado, and lime are done. Super easy. I'm excited. Let's try these babies. You know, this is perfect weeknight, healthy, yummy, quickie Brussels sprouts. I always like a good quickie. It's hot. Woo! Really good. The pancetta super gives it like a salty, crunchy with the Brussels sprouts. Really, really, really good. Really good. You know where to get the recipe. AllieInTheValley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next episode of Allie in the Valley.